Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. It's Sunday night printing. I've got a lot of printing orders to do on this whole sheet here. I think I have about 42 orders. These are orders that I've gotten in since last week, probably Wednesday. And I'm running my awesome, trusty LX610 print cut machine. And I'm just doing product labeling, prints, and cut. And it's for all my product labeling when for all my products I sell. But just so you know, I'm still alive and printing. I did get some bad news on Thursday. I don't know if you guys remember in one of my videos, I had a scheduled EMG and some conductive testing done on my legs. And turns out I've got an L5S1 pinched abnormal response for my EMG. So it's not good. I had back surgery and I have fusion and cages and plates all in my back. So I don't have many options. If I wanted to undergo surgery again, they would just remove the cage, which might help. I don't know if it'll help. They can't guarantee it'll help, but I have severe problems with my legs. I'm just trying to overcome that, lose some weight, all the nonsense. So, but that's not today's video. Today's video is my LX610 update. This is like eight months now with this thing, guys, all the way back from last September. And I love it. This thing's been flawless ever since. I'm doing product label on it now, but I'll be honest, it's way more cost effective me doing my product labeling on my my HP latex, because media is a lot more money. Ink, not the ink, but the media is a lot more money, and you go through ink a lot faster as opposed to on that. But the media obviously is, you get more than 5 times than you do on a roll for that. So, but I am down here. I'm alive, guys. I know it's been over a week since I've done a video. I got some videos coming. I just need some time. I'm not really doing much editing, but I do have some. I want to do a little bit of editing on them, just to make them more eye appealing. It's still a mess down here. Look at this. God, I procrastinate so much, but I'll be honest, I haven't been down here in like 3 or 4 days, man. I get these orders and I wait for them to build up, and then I come down and do them at once. So that job is done. Now the job of those products are done. I had printed like maybe 40 labels. So I'm going to go ahead and get those packed in here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. Any new people, welcome. Any old people, welcome back. Thanks, guys.